Welcome to this video. We're going to show you how to set up the Alteryx Eval tool for automated grading of Alteryx workflows. First, you're going to download this Alteryx Eval zipped folder, and if you double click on it, you'll notice we have a folder in here called Alteryx Eval, and inside of that there's this folder structure and several different files. We'll go over how to use those files later, but for now just know that you need all of this data. So you can extract this in a couple ways. The easiest way is just, if you're using Windows, click and drag this off, put it on your desktop or wherever else you want it to be saved. You can also right click on it and use the extract function to extract it, extract all the data from there. With that done, I'll open up and you'll see that it's extracted. Now, a couple things to be aware of. This Alteryx Eval is the actual grading tool. ID list is where you're going to list the student IDs for whoever you're grading. Macros we're going to have to install. These are what actually run to execute and run the macro or run the grader. Answers are where we'll put the student files or the correct files that need to be graded. So this is the actual exam solutions and the data for the exam. And then the Alteryx files, this is where the student files will be located. Sample 1, 2, 3, etc. And then some exam data. Before you run this for yourself, you would delete all of these files and replace them with your student files. Same thing on answers. You would delete these two files and replace them with your solutions. Now, once it's been extracted, we need to install the macros. So you'll want to open up Alteryx. Now, what the macros do is it installs some new tools up here in your ribbon. You're going to install a whole new set of tools. To do that, you're going to click Options, User Settings, Edit User Settings. And here you're going to click on macros, and then you're going to need to search to add the link to where, or the path to where those files are. So if I click on plus, you'll notice path macros, it comes up. I'm going to rename this eval, and then I'm going to select the search path. So for me, it is going to be on my computer on the desktop, if I can just find that quickly. There it is right there. Alteryx Eval. Click on the macros folder and then load it in. So there's the path on my computer to load in the macros. I click OK, and it will show the search path here. Now, you might have other macros installed, and that's just fine. You can just leave those alone. You just need to install this one. Click on Save, and you can see if you did it right, because up on the top, if you go all the way over, click over, you'll see this new Eval tool folder, and you should see these files or these tools loaded in. So now you can click and drag these and use them in a workflow just like you would anything else. So with that done, your tool is now set up and ready to run. Watch the other videos to learn how to actually use this tool.